Spinal stenosis is when the spaces in your spine narrow, putting pressure on your spinal cord and nerves. This can happen in your neck or lower back and often causes pain, numbness, or weakness in your arms or legs. Common signs include trouble walking for long periods, lower back pain, or a feeling of heaviness in your legs. It usually develops slowly over time and is more common as we age. Doctors diagnose it using scans like MRIs. Treatments range from physical therapy and pain management to, in severe cases, surgery to relieve pressure. Understanding what's happening in your spine is the first step to living better with it.